नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Herwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic Inventory Management. What is inventory management? In business, inventory management is very important, or you can say it plays a vital role in business. Okay, so it is important to manage inventory efficiently. Okay, so you can say inventory management includes proper planning of buying, managing, warehousing and accounting of inventory. So the businesses having proper inventory management system are able to know what to buy, how to buy, where to buy, and what time to buy, where to store, etc. These are all are the questions which you have to consider during this business for the proper inventory management. So there are various departmental heads of businesses which would always disagree with the issues of inventory. For example, like the finance head would want to invest lesser amount in inventory given the cost involved and idle inventory impacting the profitability. So same for the production management, this would want to invest more in inventory to avoid running out of stock and to produce goods uninterruptibility. What is the aim of inventory management? The ultimate aim of inventory management is to maintain adequate stock levels. This is because excessive inventory leads to blocking of working capital, and inadequate inventory results in shortage of raw material, leading to stale production process. Now there are 7 key inventory management concepts. First is the ordering products. As the name itself meaning that when you order something, okay, so there are question in your mind that how you choose to purchase your merchandise will define your ordering methods and quantities you will need to reorder. So this should be based on your return on investment. So large retailers have the benefit of using distribution warehouses and complex systems that break each item into smaller units to ship and to store as items are ordered. Whereas if we are talking about the smaller businesses, these need to watch ordering even closer because of a space and financial limitations. So the monitoring sales trends and specific products to determine the needed replenishment amounts is absolutely essential. So start by acquiring an inventory book where you can record all items as well as changes to them. So make note of fast and slow moving products and compare using you can say your revenue against carrying cost of figure out which products are the most profitable for you. The second one is the receiving a shipment. This is the key point of loss is at any time of receiving inventory. Okay, so the closely reviewing packing slip to catalog shipments is necessary for inventory management. For this, you will also want to carefully inspect items before the shipping company leaves in case you need to file a damage claim. So for each shipment should be closely checked, and this should include counting products and comparing them to the packing slip. So variances need to be noted, and if need be, a claim will happen to be filled with the vendor responsible for the shipment. The third is the storing inventory. After receiving your products, you will need to decide where they should be placed. So, this will you be using your garbage, a local warehouse, or a distribution facility that will both store and ship your products. uh, for this storing inventory, whatever you decide, develop a systematic way to be able to find your products. For example, a supplier of buttons might use bins with the numbers to map out what she has in stock. Once the system is in place, you will not only simplify for yourself the picking processes when there is an order, but also for any staff that you might hire to help you. Now the next one is the minimizing losses. For this, most of us think a loss or a loss as like theft. Uh, However, a substantial amount of loss simply occurs just because due to clerical mistakes sometimes, and for these mistakes can occur at any point during the inventory cycle. So incorporating loss prevention techniques can help prevent these costly problems. And managing your inventory effective may require implementing a variety of loss prevention technique, including utilization security cameras to reduce customer and employee theft, using security tags, limiting accesses to inventory, and carefully monitoring customer returns. Now the fifth one is the taking regular inventory. This is the important one, key, and this inventory management also includes taking periodic inventory for tax purposes. So, inventory more often can also help you better understand loss trends and the amount of unsold merchandise. Consider having scheduled inventory days when employees check inventory for quality and age. So you can say this is the time to weed out old products and by having clearance sales or special promos to liquidate merchandise. Now the another one is the inventory management solutions. Uh, um, if you sell products, inventory management solution is sometimes that you definitely need to consider. So there are many to choose from that are designed specifically for small businesses. Like most inventory systems currently available with the help of you can say your oversees the flow of your products, create invoices and purchase orders, generate receipts, and control inventory related accounting for you. The another one is the inventory consultants. Very few small businesses have the luxury of being able to hire a dedicated inventory control manager. However, there are outside consultants that can help you develop and manage your internal inventory management system. So, a quality consultant can help you maintain accuracy while helping you to manage shipping and receiving and order picking operations. So, lastly, the conclusion is the most successful small businesses take inventory management seriously because it can have such a profound impact on the bottom line. So, by putting the right inventory management system in place early in the development of your business, you can help set a foundation for success as you grow, and you can substantially minimize costly loss due to theft and errors. So you can say, if you are in need of an inventory loan to help you improve upon your inventory management processes, turn to Kabbage. Now this is all about today's session. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.